Hello everyone, welcome to the video series on ESI Pharmacist exam preparation. In this video, I will explain about arithmetic ability questions. I have taken 4 of the previously given exam paper questions and I will explain them. Follow the video. Let us look at the first question. The first question is, the two numbers are in the ratio of 3:4. If 5 is added to both the numbers, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the greatest number. The options given are 10, 15, 20, 25. Now understand the question. There are two numbers. They are in the ratio of 3:4. When to each one a 5 is added, the new ratio becomes 4:5. Understand this one. See, whenever you add a number to both the numbers, if they come to a different kind of ratio, that indicates they are in the multiple of that particular number which is added to them. Let me explain. There are two numbers which are in 3:4 ratio, and to which 5 is added, and again there is a new ratio of 4:5. If you are getting ratios, then it indicates the numbers are 5 multiples. You have added 5, still you are getting a ratio. That means they are in the ratio of 5. Take the simple ratios. 3:4. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. You add 5 to 15, it becomes 20. You add 5 to 20, it becomes 25. Now what is the new ratio? 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. 4:5. So they are asking the greatest number. That is, in the 3:4, which one is the greatest? 4. So 5 4s are 20 is the greatest number. Understand this. First two numbers are there, 15, 20. Ratio is 3:4. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. You add 5 and 5. It becomes, this 15 becomes 20, 20 becomes 25. Now the new ratio is 4:5. The question asks, find the greatest number from the 3:4. What is the greatest number? 20. 5 4s are 20. So the answer C, 3 is the correct answer, 20. Let us move on to the next question. See, Rajesh invested an amount of rupees 12,050 at simple interest. He got an amount of rupees 13,496 at the end of 2 years. At what rate of interest did he invest? Simple interest question, very simple thing. See, the principal amount is 12,050 rupees. After 2 years, he received 13,496 rupees. What is the difference between these two? 13,496 minus 12,056. 1446 rupees is the difference. Now this is for 2 years of simple interest. Simple interest, so you can divide it by 2. 1446 divided by 2, 723 rupees. So per year, he is getting interest amount of 726 rupees. At what rate? See, 12,050 he invested. Per year, 723 is the interest he is getting. Imagine if it is 12,000. 6% of 12,000 is 720 rupees. Now for 50 rupees at 6%, 6 5 is 33 rupees will be there. So for 12,000 is 700, 50 rupees 3 rupees. For 12,050 rupees it is 723. That is what is there. So option B, 6% is the right answer. Understand this one. You can calculate by using simple math. Instead of doing 12,050 rupees, break it into pieces, 12,050 rupees. If 6% of 12,000 is 720 rupees. 6% of 50 rupees is 3 rupees. So totally put together it is 723. So it is at the rate of 6%. 6% is the right answer. Let us move on to the next question. Now, in a hostel having 60 students, an addition of 5 members increases the gross monthly expenditure by 45 rupees, but diminishes the average cost per head by rupees 5. What did the total monthly expense in rupees originally amount to? Again, word problem plus a general intelligence one. Understand the problem. Imagine there is a hostel of 60 students. So per month there is some mess charge is there. Now 5 students are added to this one. 60 has become 65 and that has increased the total mess charges to 45 rupees. But per head amount is reduced from the previous amount to 5 rupees. 5 rupees is reduced. Understand this one. 60 students are there. Now you need to think certain things. Let's say X is the total amount, right? The first statement says there are 60 students are there. X is the total expenditure for them. So per head, how much it will be? X by 60 equal to that per head cost. Imagine that is Y. So X is the total amount. It is for 60 students. So X by 60 is equal to per head amount. That is Y. Now what is the new dynamics? New thing says that 60 has become 65 and X 45 is added. The total amount 45 addition is there. So now the equation is x plus 45 divided by 65 equal to y minus 5. Why? Because 5 rupees deducted. Now we have two equations are there. X by 60 equal to y. X plus 45 by 65 equal to y minus 5. See, I'm just translating the word statements into mathematical expression. You need to get this ability to do any kind of math. Now let us do it. So x by 60 equal to y means x is equal to 60y. Solve the other side. X plus 45 becomes 65y minus 325. When you solve it, you get y as 74. Now put this y in the initial equation. X is equal to 60y. So x equal to 60 into 74, it becomes 4440. This is what is the initial amount. X is the initial amount. See, you can cross check by substituting the remaining things, right? So what is the answer? Answer B is the correct answer, 4440. I have given the explanation down, the written explanation, follow it. I hope this is useful. If you have any doubts, just leave a message in the comment box. All the best.